Hello everyone, today I will show you how to export all bookmarks in your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file. Now click on this home option already selected, and this left sidebar you will find this bookmark option. Click here and see this is all of this bookmark here. Now I will export this bookmark. Click on this option menu, and here you will find this export all bookmarks. Click here, and this is XML document, and save your folder to document, and location select and select save, and see this. These are exported bookmark. In this way you can bookmark a specific or selected bookmark. You can select all of these and select here export selected bookmark. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.